Is there any such thing as an annulment shower?
Oh, wait, there's a train station. This is where I get off. Well, I have your address and phone number.
And I have your name and the fact that you're a drifter.
Honey, look. Here's a picture from one Halloween where she dressed up as a bride. And look, she made me carry her train, which was weird because I was Wonder Woman. Oh, and here's a little purse that I found.
Oh, sure. Do you need me to train somebody new?
Good one. Actually, Terry wants you to take the training again.
We seriously have to go if we want to get to Vermont.
I called him. The last train leaves in a half hour.
And, I have a massage client soon.
You guys, just please, a little bit longer.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word train. It means railroads. Also means a self-propelled, connected group of rolling stock. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce train, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to train. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how train is used in real life.
Bullet. Now, I defy you to name a train that I don't.
I took it to the train store. It said everyone was sad.
Took a train trip to DC once.
A proven way to raise a child or train a rat.
And with all these new skills, you'd be able to fix any model train.
You blocked by a freight train. How would you put a train crossing in the middle of a...
Fun fact, I'm gonna jump off this train.
Okay, it was just me and her at the back of the train.
Which train should I get on?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.